Oh, hello there. Just checking on my analytics for the minute. That's something that my YouTube experience has been a lot of analytics checking because I am an analytical person, as you know. That's how I do credit cards. And one thing that kind of gets on my mind is how my YouTube channel is doing. So I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of insight into how I make this whole entire operation work for the Jake Mercure YouTube channel because it's quite a lot of work and it's quite a lot of fun. And it's quite a lot of obsessing over analytics that probably don't do anything because I just want my video to blow up, but it probably won't because I'm niching down in a target audience. But we're going to figure it out, okay? Let's dive a little deeper. One of my favorite parts about being a YouTuber here is that I get to respond to people's epic comments. It's actually quite fun to look at my email and see what comes through. It's almost a sense of accomplishment or maybe some sort of success because just like in the credit card niche in the credit card market, you can be successful and you can be unsuccessful. You can see this is my back end, guys. Look, a lot of my videos have been actually doing pretty well. It's so interesting. Like every single time I make a new video, it seems like something's going right because here, I'll scroll down a little bit. Look, you could see like the last one I just made, like, okay, MX Platinum's way better than I thought. Yeah, that one's doing pretty well, actually. I mean, my last 10 have been pretty consistent. So what I mean by this is, look, this is the first 18 hours, 30 minutes of like posting a video. So I posted this video 18 hours, 30 minutes ago. This basically just means in this same exact 18-hour, 30-minute time span, this is how my videos are doing. It's so interesting because like this is pretty consistent. I'm really confused about how this all works. I think I've narrowed down my target market pretty well, but it's interesting because maybe that's not a good thing because I feel like I'm limiting my views. Here's some comments I can respond to. I do a pretty good job of keeping up on those, I think. But you know what's weird? Take a look. I don't know why, but I'm so concerned with why I always like seem to flatline my videos. I don't know why. So if I go to content here and just look at one from here, let me fix my screen. All right, literally look at this. Okay, this is my, I guess you can't see it all the way. This is my Venture X versus Amex Platinum versus Chase Sapphire Reserve video. But look, it's so crazy. This one really blew up in the beginning for me. I was so excited when this happened. It grew super quick. Even overnight, in the middle of the night. I don't know who's watching my channel in the middle of the night, but someone is. Look, 12 in the morning, keeps going, and then it's just like, literally he just kind of like hangs out here and doesn't go more than, it just doesn't go more. And if I go look at other ones, look, I'll go back and go look at some more. Like I'm canceling the Amex Gold. What did this one do? It also went pretty flat. I mean, it's kind of growing a little bit, but like it seems like it's very slow. You want to know why I'm mentioning all this? Is if you look at this, guys. If I go back to my really old ones, it's really weird, but like this one here, 5 credit card. This is my 3rd credit card video ever. This one was constantly growing. Like here's February 5th. Every day, just slowly more and more and more, and a very direct correlate. It just kept going up. I don't know why. And then it peaked right here. It stopped on April 9th. All of a sudden, all my views went from consistent to just absolute nothing. Look, I'll go to like the last 365 days. Look, I was constantly getting views, not having to do anything, and then all of a sudden it went from 300 a day to 30 and 20, and I'm like, what the? Oh, bruh, like, I don't know if you guys make sense of this, but look, it's also been growing. It's also been growing a ton right at the last second, which is really cool. Not the last second, but like the last like month, which is really exciting. I've been uploading a lot more. Let me know if you like that or not. Well, guys, I guess I'm just going to go back to my desk because this is just where it all happens. As you can see, I got some Trader Joe's hand cream because, we got to keep these hands moisturized for the camera, baby. Aqua for my lips because I just have to put that on. This card's deactivated. I don't know. I'm going to leave it in the background so it's blurry. But, yeah, that card's just sitting there for no reason. Got my phone. It's just iPhone 11. It's pretty bad. Some random fuzz. Here's my Saks Fifth Ave gift card. Oops, hopefully you didn't see that. I'm still waiting for this one to come back onto my Amex Platinum. My statement, I need to get credited for it. Someone said that that's a nerfed thing and that's not a thing anymore. Anthony Venture said that. We'll have to see. This over here is my Charles Schwab debit card and investor checking account. Paperwork that I never did. I was going to do that, but then I realized that Fidelity's better. This is a ping pong ball that I found outside. one day. Yeah, I have it now. Some paperwork over there. Let's keep going. All right, guys, I guess we're taking a look at my monitor setup a little bit here. So what do we have? We have a Mac keyboard because this is a MacBook Pro 2021 M1. It's the M1, oh shoot, I already forgot. M1 Pro? It was from the 2021 release when they just released this computer. It's the base model, but it works pretty well. It has like not a lot of storage. That's my issue. But that's what I got. Oops, it's over there. This is what I got this for. It's a G drive. 1 terabyte. I just organized my library, so I make like 5 videos and then I put it on here. It's pretty nice. I like to do that. This is my coffee that I need to put in the microwave. I'm going to do that after I make this video. I got to fill it up with some more. See, it's already getting out empty. But yes, guys, my screen, it's just a random Samsung monitor. It's like a TV, honestly. I think it's kind of weird. We get the BenQ light bar up top. Here, take a look. Wow, look at that. So I turned the light off and now you can see my epic desk setup here. It looks look at the light. It's really nice. Here, I'll show you what it looks like in here. So you can see my hand and everything. It's kind of nice. I like to turn it up and down. I like to leave it there. And actually, when my computer over there goes to sleep, this light will just automatically turn off because it's plugged into the USB in the monitor. So when the monitor turns off, because that turned off, the light will turn off. It's a whole chain of events. Okay, let's look at my big light now. Okay, guys, so we're back here at my big light. So this is the light that I turned on in the beginning of this video. It's a GVM, Great Video Maker light kit. Okay, oops, I bumped the tripod. My tripod's so literally an $18 Amazon tripod. I'll turn the camera down so you can see. This tripod's so bad. I hate it so much. It's so loose and broken. But yes, my great video light. Here, I'll turn it on so you can actually see what's going on. I'll turn it on and let the light bounce all over the room so you can see the back of it, I guess. But all right, so this is literally the brightness that I film at. So I like to keep it all the way down, pretty much. That's what it looks like. That's what the light looks like. Sorry, I have a huge tripod in my hand. Take a look. Yeah, guys, that's me right here, just recording a little bit. Oh, I guess I'll talk about some more stuff. So yeah, my setup. Here's a ZV-E10, Sony ZV-E10. Oh, look at the cables going everywhere. So annoying. That's this microphone that I hold. I hold this annoying microphone because I'll look into the lens because that looks better. Yes, so I hold this annoying microphone because actually I don't know. I bought it because it would go here, but look, guys, all my shirts are stretched out. I don't know. Oof, my God, I'm running out of room. Yeah, so all my shirts are stretched out, so it kind of pulls down like that, and it just looks dumb, bro. So yeah, so I've been holding it recently, but honestly, I need to get a new mic set up. This mic's all right. It's like a $20 Amazon mic, and yeah, it's all right. But let's talk about the camera. Okay, as you can see, let's let it focus. Very awesome autofocus. Isn't this autofocus awesome? I don't know how much you guys know about cameras, but yeah, this is a Sony ZV-E10. Sony ZV-E10 4K camera. I record in 4K, what is it, like 30 frames per second? I do 30, I don't do 60 because I don't think this one can do it, but yeah, I just use auto. I set it to 1.4 because I have, the aperture to 1.4 so I can get this nice bokeh effect, as you can see. See how it's blurry background? Yeah, that's because I use wide. I shoot wide open, so I got it wide open, and then I shoot it like 1/200th of a second shutter stop. Right, that's what it is, and then the ISO just automatically adjusts. It's around like 200 or 400 every time, which is pretty fine. Yes, this is a Sigma 16 lens, very awesome lens. So if it's part of the E mount, I think, right, Sony E mount. But yes, it's 16 millimeter lens, and it really is nice. It was like $400. The camera was like $900, but yeah, it's pretty nice. I also have this fluffy thing on top. It doesn't do anything. It just kind of looks cool. But I found this Red Bull thing in the street, so I guess this is like a what's in my apartment kind of thing. But yeah, I found that in the street. Yeah, guys. So for me, I like to keep a really good quality of video. I'm sure you guys kind of know this. So like, I really like that background to be blurry and bokeh. The light needs to be nice and dim and not too bright, not too like. It needs to be relaxing. I like to create a relaxing vibe here on the Jake Mercure YouTube channel. And I also like to drink a lot of water. So I got these with my Instacart credit on the Chase Sapphire Reserve. So $15 a month credit. Yeah, I ordered it from Target. So that was really nice. But yeah, guys, I'm going to go move this camera over here. But I pretty much just sit down and I just kind of line the shot up a little bit. You know what I mean? Hopefully you're not getting all mad at me for throwing it around, but yeah, line it up. It's not all the way lined up, but you get the point. And yeah, I actually I used to have like word for word scripts, but like I don't know about you guys, but like I feel like the word for word scripting is just, I just can't do that. I don't know. It doesn't work for me. I feel like I can become a robot and I try to imitate other people, and it just does not, it's not fun for me. It's kind of boring. I don't like to watch it back, and I feel like you guys don't like to watch it either. I'd rather just be honest, be myself, and just let you guys know what's up, you know? So everything is pretty much off the dome here on the Jake Mercure YouTube channel. It's like, that's how we keep it around here, you know? But yeah, so I actually have this app called Craft. My phone's over there, but it's basically just a text editor, and I just put bullet points of like I'm talking like 4 or 5 bullet points of like stuff I'm talking about. Yeah, so I guess here's what a random script looks like. It's like, let me hold the mic in my mouth. Okay, that one was a lot more, but I didn't even look at it. Like I wrote it and then I didn't even look at it. Oh, it was the credit card rewind Jake Mercure video. So that one was kind of long. But like how to make credit card YouTube videos. This video script that I'm making right now is this. Like that's it. It's literally nothing, bro. So yeah, it kind of depends. I keep bullet points, or sometimes I just like keep them in the idea. I just like write an idea out, and then I'll just kind of freestyle it and see how it goes. That's about it. I think that's all I got for today. I need to go heat up my coffee. So if you want to subscribe and support the Jake Mercure YouTube channel, go ahead. All right, that's it. Have a good day. Bye.